Yo, it's your boy Android Dr. back again with another video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and this time we're going to take a look at the Penup application. Okay, so the Penup app is a social network for people who like to draw and interact with fellow creative types. It's a thriving art community right on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So it allows you to create and upload your work for the Penup community to see, comment on, like, and repost. You can also do the same with art shared by others. The pieces you repost will be saved in a separate folder in your collection once you're done. Okay, so to find the Penup application, just take out the pen, the S Pen. So just take it out and then select the little pen here, and then this box will pop up, and here you will see the Penup application. And once you select it, it will bring you straight into the Penup app. And then up here at the top, we have these different options. So drawing, photo drawing, post images, and drafts. So if you select drawing, you will see a bunch of different colors that you can choose to write with or to draw with. So there's red, orange, yellow, turquoise, light blue, a darker shade of blue, purple, and black. And here you can create your own color as well if you select this tab here. Okay, wait a minute, I just need to turn this on. Okay, so if you select this tab here, you can create your own color and then hit done. Also, if you swipe across, there's some more colors to choose from. And then if you select this option here, you can switch from any one of these. So you can use a pencil, a crayon, felt tip, and a paintbrush. So there's the paintbrush. You can also adjust the thickness. So if you want it to be thin, just go all the way to the left down to 1. Or if you want it to be thick, you'd go all the way up to 100. Okay, so down here, there's an eraser. So you can erase it if you've made any mistakes, or you can just simply press the back button there and it will delete everything. And there's a few more options down there that you can have fun with. Okay, so here there's photo drawing. So you can take a picture, or you can use a picture from the gallery to draw on. You can also post images using this option here, and you can use drafts. So you can create drafts or use any of your saved drafts. And then down here there's home and coloring. So if you select coloring, it will bring up loads of different pictures that you can color in. So for example, if I want to color this picture in, I would choose start coloring and then select my colours that I want to use. Okay, let's just make the paintbrush a bit thicker. Then change the colour. Okay, not too bad. Now let's save it. So here you get the option to save or discard, or you can cancel. So the artwork has been saved in the drafts. So from here I can give it a love heart, favourite it, or share it. So there's 3 different tabs here. So there's newest, popular, and books. So these are all the newest ones that you can choose from, or you can choose popular and it will bring up all the popular drawings. And then there's books. So this is going to bring up all the different colouring books. So this one here, animal, it's got 231 drawings that you can colour in. Cats and dogs. So as you can see, there's just loads of different colouring books. And there's also a search bar, so you can actually search. And there's all these different categories that you can search. Okay, so down here there's live drawing. And once again, you can choose from the different tabs: newest, popular, and books. So the live drawing option does have books as well. And then there's challenges. Okay, so that's about it. I think I've pretty much covered everything. Yeah, guys, so let me know if this is something you use. I guess this is a pretty good pastime if you're on the plane and you're traveling to a far country. You could just be doing a bit of colouring using the S Pen. Definitely pass some time on the flight or on the journey. You could be on the train or on the bus. Could just be passing some time using the Penup application. Anyway, that's it for the video, guys. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.